What's up, everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to enroll in courses for next fall. So we're going to start by getting on any search engine. I use Google, and go get to Tiger Tracks however you do, and we're going to enroll in courses for next fall, regardless if our advisors have to approve. We can get started or make a list of classes that we would like to enroll in, and then once they approve it, they would be in there. So once we're all logged in, we're going to click online services. Okay, there's so much things that you could access here. I call this the main menu page because this is how you just get everything and started when you are a Tiger, especially being online. I found this very useful and helpful. So we're going to get to log in and Tiger Enroll on the last column there. We're going to continue, and this is pretty much it. You should see Tiger Tracks, Tiger Enroll. We're doing, looks like they don't have fall of 2021 yet. Well, we could start by just getting in summer. And so I'm in the Bachelor of Science in Business. So I could just look up here, business education. Okay, search, and it's going to tell me what courses are open still for the fall. But I know in the College of Business, I have to take other courses that are outside. So leadership, let's do this. Submit, and there's just so much open. Okay, so whatever major you're in, you would find that. And as you can see, this one is closed, virtual. Its name is the professor here, the credit hour, the course, and the status. So let's just say I want to do this one with Lisa, 3 credits, and I need it. I'm just going to do open. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click submit, and then once that's all submitted, I will see that on this end. Okay, with these courses, and I add selected courses. And once I have a full schedule, like I said, you make payment arrangements, and then the advisees have to approve. But you just drop down, let's do special education, submit, and you find all the courses for the summer, fall, and spring.